We've all been there. The light is fading, your thread is fraying, and that needle eye seems to be getting smaller by the second. Threading a needle shouldn't be the hardest part of your project. Today, we're showing you how to master the magic wands of the sewing room, needle threaders. At a recent workshop, we realized that even the most experienced makers have questions about these tools. From the specialized Roxanne and John James threaders to the heavy-duty Colonial Dual Threader, there is a threader for every needle. Let's break down how to use them so you can get back to the fun part, stitching. For hand sewing, especially fine applique or quilt binding, we love the Colonial Ultrafine Threader. First, pass the wire loop through the eye of your needle. Next, place your thread through that large wire loop, not the needle eye itself. Finally, gently pull the wire back through the eye. The wire carries the thread with it. And on this specific model, you even have a built-in cutter to snip your ends perfectly. No scissors required. Threading a machine can be just as tricky, especially in tight spaces. This is where the Colonial Dual Threader shines. The long handle gives you the reach you need. Position your needle at its highest point, pass the wire through the eye from back to front, hook your thread, and pull it through. It's a permanent fixture in our tool tray for a reason. Which one is right for you? John James threaders are the gold standard for traditional hand needles, while Roxanne threaders are incredibly fine, perfect for beading and quilting. And of course, the Colonial Dual Threader is our go-to for project kits and machine work. Knowing how to use a needle threader isn't something we're born knowing, but once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever sewed without one. You can find all of these at Colonial Needle Company. Links are in the description. Happy stitching!